Say hi, Hank, or say hi, Louie. Oh, Hank must think he's a cat today. What we've got here is some Stainless Works chamber ground mufflers. Aren't these things pretty? Almost 3 feet long. We're looking forward to it. So the car that these are going on is the S600. Good morning, Supra. Good morning, other Supra. Now that I'm daily driving the Supra, every time I get back into the S600, I'm always amazed at how nice it rides. You know, it's hard to find a car like this these days that will just go over a really bumpy interstate like this and you feel absolutely nothing. The other reason we're going to the exhaust shop today is that at least one of the cats on this car has gone bad. Not only are we losing a little bit of power, but it's just really bad for the engine. I'm going to try to get this fixed up as soon as possible once we figured out that happened. So I ended up taking a different approach from what I talked about before. The wastegate approach with the switchable exhaust was really neat, but that was a prototype system. To add some problems, I wasn't looking forward to getting that sorted out, and so I abandoned the switchable exhaust system. Went for more of a compromise exhaust after doing a lot of research onto mufflers. So I went with the Stainless Works CR22, which is a glass pack style muffler, in that it has a clear channel through the center, but the muffling capacity is much higher than an actual glass pack. However, it still lets you make a lot more power because the standard mufflers are chambered, in which the exhaust flows back and forth a few directions, and that creates a good bit of back pressure, and that kills your power. Whereas with a glass pack style like this, you're not losing almost any power from a straight pipe. So we're just hanging out on the interstate here. Let's hear what sounds a little bit inside the car. That's not bad. There's clearly a little bit of a loose bracket or something in the exhaust that I need to still get sorted out, but the overall tone is very classic M120 without being just excessively annoying. It really succeeded in this. When you're just putting around, it's almost like factory. It's a little bit louder, but I'm really happy with that. It's not as fun as some of the other exhausts I've had on my 600s before. I mean, just cutting off the muffler and putting in a set of turndowns sounds absolutely awesome on any M120 car, but you know, it just kind of pisses everybody off. Your neighbors will hate you, the police will hate you. So it's just not really a viable concept if you want to, you know, still have friends. All right, let's do it a little bit again. You know, I gotta say, this system really is quite nice. You get most of the fun from inside the car that you get with a more extreme system, but you still get this quietness that you can pretend to be a normal 600 whenever you want, a normal S-Class. You know, that was something I really missed when I just cut the muffler off on my previous 600s, because it really it's such a dual personality car, and you can love both sides of it. But if you cut that muffler off, it's 100% just racy kind of stuff. And this way, you know, you get the best of both worlds. You really do. You can just go straight from doing that to just cruising around, and nobody will be none the wiser. The Supra's gone. Alright. Guess someone stole my Supra in the meantime. Well, the other Supra at least. We'll have to go figure out who did that and chase them down.